Hey everyone, it's Ed from Are You Cars again. This morning we've got this 2012 Volvo S80. It's a 2-litre D4 Executive. It's the 5-cylinder Volvo engine. Very similar to the D5, but just a 2-litre. So a bit better on fuel, similar power, good engine. This one's finished in sapphire black. It's got the soft beige leather, 60,000 miles. Proper full Volvo service history. I think it's got 13 in total. It's just been done by Volvo as well about 500 miles ago. And it is in very nice condition. It's got the xenon lights. They're adaptive, they follow you around the bends. It's got the fog lights, the front and rear park assist. Rides on the 18-inch wide-veer alloys. Now these are a genuine Volvo upgrade wheel. They're not aftermarket. They look really well in my opinion. Nice simple wheel. Very straight. It's got keyless entry, keyless start. They call it the personal key communicator or something, PCC, that's the optional extra code. It's got the laminated windows, so twin pane. The reg number is there for any checks you may wish to carry out. There is a very soft crown there in the bumper. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, not worth doing anything with. You won't see it, but I'm pointing it out. It's on Goodyear tyres all round. They're all really good. Supercar. About 6mm on the tyres. Few minor stone chips, but to be expected. Let's show you inside. We'll start with the boot. All real clean and tidy. No funny smells, and of course, being a saloon car, no dogs. Folding rear seats, and this one's got the temper spare wheel. All your toolkit is there. That's another optional extra. Warning triangle, etc. is all there. Rear sunblind, just there, look. The soft beige perforated stroke ventilated leather, which is all in cracking condition. The camera never likes ventilated or perforated leather, sorry. It is clean, just the camera can't focus too well on them. We've also got the rear entertainment connections, as well as rear heated seats, the luxury car mats. And in the front again, all very clean, despite the camera struggling to focus. We've got active backrest, so similar to a massage function, memory seats and fully electric. Got folding mirrors, electric windows, auto lights and wipers. Got the walnut wood steering wheel. Mileage is 60,761. Let's just start the car up. So as you can see there are no warning lights, no rear belts. No faults. Steering wheel is in super condition. Quite a few of these with the soft beige do wear around here and here. As you can see, this one's lovely. We've got the premium sound system. It is a full facelift car, so you get the later waterfall and screen with the leather dash top. We've got heated and cooled front seats, aircon, climate control, navigation, DAB radio, I do believe. Let me check, I've said that. Yeah, there we go. I thought I'd seen DAB. CD, Bluetooth, iPod, USB, all your media inputs, your Bluetooth telephone. And then if we go into my car, you can play around with your settings. But you can see that we've got active bending lights. Got the illuminated gear shifter, so that lights up at night. You won't quite see it, or just about. It looks nice at night. Cup holders. Centre console is all immaculate, look. Minimal wear. And your armrest. got the analog clock on the dash, which is a nice touch. Your handbooks are in the glove box, auto dipping mirrors, and that is that. Cracking car, great value for money these are. We really rate them. Give us a call, 01509 267 111. We'll get you booked in for a test drive. And if you do require finance, or you're considering financing your vehicle, give us a try for a quote on that. We work with a number of brokers and lenders to try and find you the best deal that we can. Thanks for watching.